it's a good thing you piped up back there because I forgot you were in the back seat. I was heading straight to Logan because piano lessons got over, and so we like just started driving, and then Lincoln said something and I like slammed on my brakes. I'm like, Lincoln, I forgot to take you to school. So, okay, we're on our way to school. Yep. Okay, Winter Canyon, we see you. We think you're gorgeous. You're a little scary to drive through, but you're gorgeous. Woo!
This camera does not do a justice on how pretty it is outside. It is so pretty. It's also very scary.
Oh,
the roads are so scary.
Okay, this weather, I was not quite expecting it. So I don't come through without stopping and seeing my boyfriend and seeing my new house. And so I was like, yeah, of course I'm going to come and see you. I
literally almost slid.
Well, no, we were sliding.
Oh.
What did I say? we're sliding. And anyway, we made the turn just fine because of my excellent driving skills. However, we've got appointments today, and so I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it to see Joel or not, but we'll see. We're gonna try.
Hello.
Hey, I am not going to be able to come and see you because the drive is so slow that I'll miss my appointment if I stop.
Oh, don't worry about it. Is there something you need me to measure though?
On my way back out of town, I'll probably stop and measure something. We've got Olivia back there. She's doing her nails while I do mine. It's kind of a win-win day. She's happy because she didn't have to go to school. Here's the thing. I thought I was being, what's the word? Like productive or like smart with my time, because I'm like, okay, if we have her orthodontist appointment today, I will book a whole bunch of other appointments on the same day so we can come to Logan, and I just wasn't realizing that if her appointment is in the evening, then she would have to be here with me all day. I just didn't realize she was going to be out of school all day when normally, like, I put it at the end of the day so she wouldn't have to miss school. Anyway, it was an oversight on my part. But we're gonna spend the day together, so that's fine. I'm making Olivia do her own phone calls, and you should have seen her prepping for this phone call. She's like, I'm so scared, what do I say?
Not answering.
Look at her, she's like so nervous. She might be missing out on school, but she's learning very, very important social skills right now.
Hi, I'm wondering if you guys have available guitars.
If they do guitar rentals.
Or sorry. I'm wondering if you guys have like guitar rentals. Yes. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Guys, I did it, and I didn't embarrass myself.
And you didn't start laughing this time either. Did you just say that your heart hurts?
Yeah, because I was laughing so hard and I was so nervous.
All right, I made Olivia call several different businesses. Here, you gotta find the keys. You unlock it for me? She called several different businesses to find out if we can find some place to do guitar rentals.
Open.
Because she doesn't want to take her grandma's guitar to class.
Right.
And this school doesn't provide them. Your other school did.
What? The first guy I called, I didn't know what to say when I was saying like, okay, thanks, bye. I was just, bye. He started laughing.
Yeah, he started laughing at Olivia. Me and Nicole were just like, oh, okay.
I was like, I'm not in school learning something there, so I'm learning something here.
Yeah, you did good. Social skills are, you know, probably more important than anything you would have learned at school today.
I'm such a social person though. I'm always talking
are.
to somebody, so why was that so hard?
It's just practice. Okay, should we show them? Okay, here's Mama's nails. Why is that pinky? What? Get out! That pinky was like, I could not get it to straighten out. Okay, here's Mama's nails. Olivia, show your nails. Oh, you gotta get both hands up here, just like mine.
I don't want to get close though, because that's kind of scary.
Get up and get close. Show them your nails. They can't see. Nobody can see. Oh, now look. Do you feel like they're not, like you don't want them to see up close?
They're a little crusty.
No, they look so good. Get that hand up here and be,
a little bit.
yeah, look how cute those are. Okay, so those, and okay, Olivia, this is the cutest ring. Everyone needs this ring. I want this ring. I'll put a link for it in the description. Okay, also, I had a few people ask at Christmas time, they were like, you didn't show us, you know, what you got your sisters. So this is the watch that I got myself, that I got my sisters. So, this is the watch that I got them. I will also put a link for it in the description. And so while we're at it, Olivia has this same bracelet. And
I had one when I was little and it still fits me for somehow.
No, yours
I thought I got one so.
No, the same brand, different bracelet. Anyway, so Olivia and I like to have these, and I have like the matching necklace and stuff too. Anyway, you know, just fun things. Okay, next appointment. Okay, fellas, cross the road. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on, guys.
Like a chip out there.
They're like coming towards us. Come on, cute fellas.
They're coming toward us.
You know what? It's okay. Let the bus pass. I've got all the time in the world. They're coming to me.
It's because they see my chip.
They can smell Olivia's chips. They're running.
No, look at me. I'm holding chips.
Yay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I mean, do you see the size of these?
Ooh.
Those are large. Greatest day of my life. Okay, bye guys. See you later. I am here in the car. I have my chips, don't worry. I have a drink, some chips. I'm gonna read my book for an hour. Okay, so I don't know how long it's been, but it's been long enough that I've read 30 pages in my book. I never realized that I read with my eyes and not my head. Like, I think I've gone over like 2 pages like 3 times because I'm like, wait, this doesn't make sense. And like I'll have to like read through it because I only read with my eyes. Like I'll just like skim over it or whatever. So but if you guys are ever looking for like a really good book, I got a book. It's called A Little Princess by Frances Hodgson Burnett. I don't know. I'm sorry. I think I just like ruined your name, whoever this is. But it is a really cute book. I've seen the movie before. It's really cute. I have this book and then The Secret Garden. I saw that movie when I was little. It kind of scared me. It's not scary. It just, I was little, so it did. But it's a really, really cute book. It's kind of sad, but it's really cute. Manual focus. Come on. I want to be able to tap. Okay, there we go. I think it's time for a new camera. Okay, we are getting our oil changed. I didn't know this was a thing. I didn't know you could like pull in and drive. I can't remember the name of this place. I don't know. Anyway, you can drive in and get your oil changed.
I know. So it's like the bottom like will open up so like you can get to like under it. Like that's cool.
Yeah, people are downstairs in the basement doing the oil change. We got someone in the front doing their thing. I don't want to like film them, but I'll kind of show you a little bit. See, they're out there working, doing their thing. Ready for some lunch? I brought you some soup. Okay, once it boils, you turn it down to like a 2 or a 3. Okay, put the lid on the rice. I add, well, I'm telling Olivia too, but I guess I will. I added a little bit of turmeric, I don't know, to the rice because it has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. We're cooking up some just like veggies. Peppers to go in with the black beans. We are having beans and rice for dinner with some veggies inside. We did get some chicken tenders for Joel. Joel's like, can I have some chicken? I was like, well, I'm not making it. Yes, that feels like a heavy bag. Chicken for those that want chicken from like the deli. I will not probably have some. Olivia did get her braces switched out. Olivia, let's show them your blue braces.
I got some blue ones.
Cute. I like the blue.
Too.
I like the blue a lot. You'll have to find some blue nail polish. Yeah.
Batteries require batteries
I always think chili powder is gonna smell better than it does. It doesn't smell amazing. But, you know. Oh, don't show these cupboards. They are, I have everything. Secrets. Secret. Final dish. You know what? It looks fantastic. I'm sure it tastes great. It is just a thrown together meal. And I feel like we need to have more meals like this. Rice and beans. It's cheap. It's good for you. It's filling. Okay, say goodnight, everybody.
Good night, guys.
Bye.
Hey, thanks for hanging out with us on our...
Good morning, you guys.
Good morning. It's, I feel like this was a really fun day. Olivia, thank you for hanging out with me. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.